Alright, today we have something very fun and special. A classic Lego yard sale haul. So, got all of this for $6.50. This is a pretty good little haul here, and there's going to be some non-Lego in it for sure. So we'll just throw out any of that kind of stuff. But this is always a great way to expand your Lego collection and get a whole lot of stuff for hopefully a very good price. It's a little dirty, so we're going to have to wash it off as we kind of sort through this and pick things out. More non-Lego. But let's just start with this grocery bag as our first thing here, since it doesn't have its own box. Just kind of dump this out. Oh, already seeing some weird, super strange non-Lego stuff. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of stuff in here. We'll pull out some minifigures right away. So we've got, I believe this is Jay from Ninjago. I'm not super familiar with all the different sub-themes and versions of Ninjago, so I'm not sure which version of the ninjas this is, but it's pretty cool. Double-sided print. I think I've seen in here a scabbard that he wears on his back somewhere, so that'll be cool. We can find that. And this city astronaut figure, pretty sure that is from City. Female astronaut. I'll put some figures off to the side here. There's another one. Oh, this is actually cool. This is Marge. No head on Marge. I know there's a lot of Lego Dimensions in this lot, so I don't know if Marge was ever part of the Dimension stuff. That's maybe where she came from, but yeah, there should be a skirt piece, I believe, also with this Marge, so hopefully we can find that. It's always cool to have cool cloth pieces. Oh, Spider-Man. I know that this version of Spidey has appeared in a lot of stuff, so it doesn't really narrow down what set in particular this one's from. And another thing that jumped out, which is super cool, hopefully there's more of, is this is actually a Killer Croc hand from the Lego Batman movie version of Killer Croc. So this would go on like a big figure arm. Hopefully there's more of him. That's a super cool figure. And a nice big ugly rock piece, as they call them. I actually really like these, so I'm always happy to have more of these. I think these are great for building large landscape structures. Oh, and here's a Killer Croc finger, so that's cool. Should be 2 of these fingers for each of these Killer Croc hands, and they just go in like that. And this is a super cool big figure piece, so really hope we can find more of that in here. Let's get in. This is like mostly all the Dimensions stuff here, so there's some really great figures. A Gandalf from Lego Dimensions, pretty cool. No cape or anything on him, but nice figure nonetheless. I don't know if the Dimensions version is any different from the official Lord of the Rings sets that they put out in 2013, but I think it's probably pretty similar. I cannot remember this princess's name from Adventure Time, but that's more from the Adventure Time Lego Dimensions set, so she's pretty cool. Skeleton. I believe this skeleton is from a Goonies Lego Dimension thing. I see that we have the little puck here from Goonies, and that set came with a Sloth minifigure, so I really hope Sloth is somewhere in this lot, because he would be super cool to have, and I think he's the only minifigure that they made for... Oh! Here's Jake the dog. That's really awesome. I believe there is a Finn also that they made for LEGO Dimensions, but I don't know if he's in here as well. That's really cool.
That's so cute.
This is what I'm hoping is the big one, is Beetlejuice. Pretty sure he was only ever released in this one LEGO Dimensions set, so I would imagine that's probably a pretty valuable figure, and maybe more valuable now that there's another Beetlejuice movie coming out. So he's really cool. A lot of great detail on him. Oh, and he has a double-sided face too. That's awesome. So that's another Lego Michael Keaton there. Can add that to Batman and the Vulture. As another Lego Michael Keaton. Very cool. And here's a Back to the Future. So, and that literally says who it is. It's Doc Brown. So Doc Brown would be cool to have also. Yeah, so hopefully the rest of these figures are somewhere in here. That would be really nice to have all those. We'll put this off to the side for now and get into the big bag that's over here. Let's see. I'm not sure if there's more figures in here or if it's just parts, so right out of the gate we've got the Junkrat. So he's missing an arm. I really hope we can find the rest of Junkrat, because these big figures are just pretty cool and unique. He's got a naked head. There's an unprinted flesh-colored head. That's not the most common thing. Cool to have. But he's a really detailed, cool figure. I don't play Overwatch, but pretty neat. Let's just try to dump out. I see some figures already. That's good. Just dump out this whole thing. See what we can find. Puzzle pieces. Oh, here's some Simpsons. This is, oh gosh. Nelson. This is Nelson's torso and one arm. Love these dual molded arms, so that's super cool to have. Oh, here is one of these ninja pauldron sword sheaths that I was talking about, so I'll put this on this guy. I bet that goes to him. So maybe we can find his ninja hood in here somewhere. An apple. Those are always good to have. Oh, here's the top of a crafting table from Minecraft. So there's definitely Minecraft stuff in here. I don't see any Minecraft figures yet. As a bag. Probably goes with that crook. What I love about these bags is, you know, they're like minifig accessories. So you have somebody hold it, and it's like a bag of something. But you can also just put it on a head, and then it looks like somebody with a bag over their head. I think that's really funny. It's something that I like to do. Oh, and this is okay, this is cool. This is a mystery machine. This is part of the mystery machine. And that, if that's from the full-size minifigure scale version of the mystery machine and not like a mini dimensions version, that's really exciting because that's a super awesome set. Some Mixels, dude. Yeah, so that's about everything in this haul. Sounds like there might be more to come from this same yard sale. So we're gonna go back tomorrow and see if we can get some more. This I think is also LEGO Dimensions. This looks like the top of like an arcade machine. So I think that's only the dimensions set. But yeah, not really seeing the rest of the parts to finish any of these figures. Hopefully there is more elsewhere to finish out some of this stuff. So it's mostly just kind of loose parts to add to the collection. So, but not a bad haul, and definitely, I think this Beetlejuice, I'm hoping and imagining, is worth more than $650. So I think this guy alone makes it totally worth it. And yeah, always glad to have the extra parts too. So we'll get these sorted out, cleaned, and put into the collection. Cool. Thanks for watching.